Hi, I'm Mark. I'm the Kitchen Pro. I did a job a while back. I thought it'd be interesting to make a note on it. I did the bathroom remodel, and then we did a barn door from Home Depot. And the installation that was on the instructions didn't work at all. So basically, they asked to put a 1x4 up, and then put these lag bolts through the 1x4. But obviously, unless there was a header, and the header would have been too low, obviously, because the door is so high. So in other words, there's no way to attach it and have the bolts work. So I have some pictures of it during the construction, so I might integrate those here with the video. But basically what I ended up doing is they had a 1x4 like this up here that was included with the door, but I threw that away and got another 1x4 that was made out of hardwood, so it was a little more substantial. Then what I did is I put the 1x4 up against the wall, figure out the heights and all that, and then I cut the drywall and pushed the 1x4 up to the studs. The 1x4 is just slightly thicker than the drywall, so it worked out perfectly. And it also too sucked in the door, so there wasn't a huge big gap between the door, the back of the door, and the door casing. So it worked out really good. I was able to put that 1x4 up. Then, since it was right up directly against the studs, I knew where to screw into it. And then on the back side of the 1x4, what I did is I actually glued and screwed some 2x4s, so that when I actually put the lag bolts through, then it really had something to hold on to. The floor was really at a level, so what I did is I found the highest spot and then worked my way up to figure out the height of the 1x4 for that. So actually it works really good. I do have to add in a handle, but it's, for the most part, it's all done. And I think the installation is very clean. It's a nice door. Once again, the instructions on it were not very good, but I think the installation here is very substantial, it's very solid, and I think it's going to work very good for the people. Thank you.